students, today we will continue with the questions based on areas of combinations of plane figures. That's it. Okay. So this is the question. ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. With centers A, B, C and D, 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay, so here what is given to us is ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. Each side is equal to 14 centimeter. Okay, now with centers A, B, C and D, 4 circles are drawn. As I said, so you just see here with A as center, 1 circle, B as center, the other. Likewise, 4 circles are drawn. And what happens here is each circle, each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. You just see here, if we consider the first circle, this circle is touching that is this and this circle, is it? Yes or no? Now if we consider this one, this circle is touching 2 circles, is it? So 1 circle touches externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. Okay. Now here we have to find the area of the shaded region. Here this part is shaded. Okay children. Now we just see if we consider the square. Okay. So from this square, if we subtract these 4 sectors, do we get the shaded region? Yes, we will get the set. So how can you write? Area of shaded region is equal to area of square minus area of 4 sectors. Area of square minus area of 4 sectors, is it? So what is that? A square minus 4 into theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. Now we just see here the square is of side 14 centimeters. So here we can have 14 square minus theta. What is theta? You all know the angle. Each angle of the square is equal to 90 degrees. So here theta is equal to 90 degree, pi 22 by 7 and radius. You just see here. Here each side, if I consider DC, this is 14 centimeter. As a children, then what will be the half of this? Is 7. That's it. So we can tell what? The radius of the circle is equal to 7 centimeter. Is it clear? Okay. Now how can you write? 14 square minus 4 into 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Okay. Now we can cancel 4 times 4 and 4 got cancelled, 7 and 7 got cancelled. So the answer is 14 square 196 minus 22 into 7 is 154. Therefore the answer is 42 centimeter square. Clear? Next question. In the figure, PSR, RTQ and PAQ are 3 semicircles of diameters 10 cm, 3 cm, 7 cm respectively. Find the perimeter of the shaded region. Okay, listen here children. Here the question is to find the perimeter of the shaded region, not the area. Okay, so you just see, here we have total 3 semicircles. I said, the first one is PSR. I said, next one PAQ. And the last one RTQ. These 3 are 3 semicircles. That's it children. Now we just see, we have to find the perimeter of the shaded region means, you just see, what do you have? S. Is this the thing? S or no? S. Is it? Okay. Now suppose a semicircle is given to you. And if the question is to find the perimeter of a semicircle, you know that we will find it as pi r. This arc is pi r. Total is 2 pi r. Here the semi half. So pi r plus b plus the diameter, that is the perimeter of a semicircle. Yes or no? Now you just see here, we need only this arc. Is it children? So what is this? Pi r, that's it, plus Again, the arc of the next semicircle. So, again it is pi r. Listen. And the last one. This is the arc of the another semicircle. So, we have pi r. Listen. So, for identifying this, we will take it as R1, R2 and R3. Is it clear? Okay. Now, how can we write S? Perimeter of the shaded region is equal to, is it? Pi R1 plus pi R2 plus pi R3. Okay, children. So, here R1 is the radius of the semicircle PSR. R2 is the radius of the semicircle RTQ. And R3 is the radius of the semicircle PAQ. Okay, you can mention that. Okay. Now, here pi is common. So, we can take pi outside. R1 plus R2 plus R3. Clear? Okay. Now, you just see R1. R1 is the radius of this semicircle PSR, is it? So, what is the diameter of PSR? 10. So, what will be the radius? 5, is it? So, how can you write? Pi into 5, okay? Plus, okay. Now, what is R2? Here, R2 we have taken RTQ, is it? What is RTQ? The diameter of RTQ is 3 centimeter. Therefore, radius is 1.5. Okay, plus the next one, R3 PAQ. That is the diameter is 7. So the answer is 3.5. Is it clear? So what do you have? Pi into minus 1.5 plus 3.5. Is it? That is nothing but into 10. That is 22 by 7 into 10. That is 220 by 7. Okay. So if you divide, you get it as 31.4 centimeter. Approximate value 31.4 centimeter. Clear? Next question. AB and CD are two diameters of a circle perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. If OA is equal to 7 cm, find the area of the shaded region, and this is the figure given to us. Okay, you just listen here. Here, OA is equal to 7 cm. Is it? So, which means what will be OD? Yes, OD is also equal to 7 cm. Base of the bigger circle, is it? Okay. Now, in the smaller circle, the diameter is equal to 7 cm. This is student. Then what will be the radius there? S. 7 by 2. Okay. Now, our question is we have to find the area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region, the smaller circle is shaded. So, no. So, first we will find that. Okay. So, we know that area of circle is equal to pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into, here the diameter is equal to 7, therefore radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 and 7, 11 times, that is 77 by 2 centimeters square. It will keep as it is, later it will do. Okay. So we got area of the smaller circle. Okay, area of the smaller circle is equal to 77 by 2 centimeters square. Okay. Now again, where it is shaded S. If we consider the semicircle, AB is the diameter and this is the semicircle. So from this semicircle, okay, if we subtract this triangle, do we get the remaining shaded region? S. So we understood. First we have to find area of this semicircle. Then from that we have to subtract this area of triangle. Is it clear? So first we will find area of semicircle. Okay. So we know that area of semicircle is equal to half into pi r square. That's it, children. So what do you have? Half into 22 by 7. Now in the semicircle, what is the radius? Radius is equal to 7. Is it? So into 7 into 7. So 7 and 7 got cancelled. 11 times. So the answer is 77 centimeters square. Clear? So we got area of semicircle also. Okay. Now what you have to get? Yes, we have to find this area of triangle and we have to subtract it from that. Does it, children? So we all know that area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Is it? Here it is clearly mentioned that diameters are perpendicular to each other, which means here it makes 90 degree. Is it? So in this triangle, can we tell OC is the height? Yes, OC is the height and AB is the base. Here AB, the diameter is equal to 14 centimeter and OC that is equal to 7 centimeter. Is it? So how can you write? Half into 14 into 7. So 14 and 2, 7 times. The answer is 49 centimeters square. Is it clear? Now we got all the answers. Area of small circle plus area of semicircle minus area of triangle. So we are going to find that. Okay. So what is that? Area of shaded region is equal to area of small circle. What is that? S. 77 by 2. Yes. Area of semicircle. S. 77 minus area of triangle. How much? S. 49. So what do we have? 77 by 2 plus 77 minus 49. So what do we get, children? S. 28. Clear? Now we have to cross multiply or take the LCM. Okay, if you take the LCM and 2, you will get the answer as so 66.5 centimeters square. The final answer will be 66.5 centimeters square. Okay, moving to the next question. In the given figure, ABC is a rectangle of dimension 21 centimeter into 14 centimeter. A semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. Find the area and perimeter of the shaded region. So in this question, we have to find both the area and the perimeter. First, we will find the area. Okay. Let us see here a rectangle ABCD is given to us. This is children, and the dimensions are 21 centimeter and 14 centimeter. Here we have to find the area of the shaded region. We all know that area of rectangle minus area of semicircle. Yes or no? Okay, so how can you write? Area of shaded region is equal to area of rectangle minus area of semicircle. Okay, now what is area of rectangle? S. L into B minus half into pi r square. Okay, now length and breadth is given to us 21 into 14 minus half into 22 by 7 into radius. Here you just see the diameter is 14. Is it children? Then what is the radius? S. 7. 7 into 7. Now 21 into 14, 294 minus 2 and 22, 11 times 7 and 7 got cancelled. 11 into 7, 77. Okay, now if we subtract this, we will get the answer as 217 centimeters square. So this is the area of the shaded region. Okay, now the next question, we have to find the perimeter of the shaded region. Is it children? So you just see how can we find the perimeter of the shaded region? S. We need AB plus AD plus DC pi r. Is that the perimeter? S. Is it children? So how can you write? Perimeter of the shaded region is equal to AB plus AD plus BC plus pi r. Is it? Just see once again. AB, is it? AB plus AD plus DC plus pi r. Okay. Now what is AB? 21. AD 14. DC 21 plus 22 by 7 into 7. Yes or no? Radius is 7 there, is it? So 7 and 7 got cancelled. 21 plus 14 plus 21 plus 22. If we add all these, you get the answer as 78 centimeter. Therefore, the perimeter of the shaded region is equal to 78 centimeter. Okay.